Horses out, Celestial pass to begin, moving up in the middle. Ho, 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 then moving up on the outside. Bombs, Highway Builder. Then followed by Hello Africa comes next. Golden Harry, Do, Re, Mi, Shifty, Kid Dugo, Key Element dashing. And on the outside, Fire Caddy, please don't stop. While Mogul trails the field. Into the turn they go, 3 horses fighting it out for the lead. Ho, 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 moving up to take the lead by about 3 for Balenka. Highway Builder in second, then in third comes Bombs. 7 lengths away in third, moving up now is Golden Harry. Then followed by Hello Africa, Key Element, please don't stop dashing. Do, Re, Mi, Celestial, Shifty, Kid Dugo, third last Mogul and Fire Caddy. Inside the 3 octavo, we have Ho, 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 by about 4 lengths. Highway Builder still in second, Bombs in third. Golden Harry now coming closer in fourth, please don't stop his by the deep. Key Element moving up, Do, Re, Mi, Hello Africa dashing Shifty. As they come down at the last 200. Oh, oh, ho, by about 7 lengths. Highway Builder moving up, Golden Harry on the outside, please don't stop. Last 75 meters. And it's still Ho, ho, ho. And finally Ho, ho, ho. Second, Golden Harry. Highway Builder, please don't stop close.